In this video, I'll show you how to install the Downloader app on your Samsung Smart TV, so you can easily download apps and files not available in the Samsung Store. Step 1. Open the Samsung Smart Hub. Press the Smart Hub button on your remote to open the App Store. Step 2. Search for Downloader. Use the search icon and type Downloader. Step 3. Install Downloader. If Downloader appears in the search results, select it and click Install. Note: Downloader may not be available on all Samsung Smart TVs due to platform restrictions. Step 4. Alternative method. If Downloader isn't in the store, you might need to enable developer mode or sideload apps using a USB drive or other tools, but this varies by TV model and firmware. Important notes: Samsung TVs often run Tizen OS, which limits app availability compared to Android TV. Downloader is primarily designed for Fire TV and Android TV devices, so it may not be officially supported on Samsung Smart TVs. Check for firmware updates that might add more app options. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit the like button and subscribe for more Samsung Smart TV tips and tutorials.